Good morning, you beautiful human beings. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am back today. Oh man, it is good to be back, guys. I'm glad to be here. I'm making another video for you guys today. I'm gonna be hooking up with a friend of mine, Gabe. We're gonna be going out on some ice and we're gonna do some ice fishing for you guys. But guys, just take a look right here. Take a look. 6:13, as you can see, 19 degrees all night. It has been negative wind chill and it's been really freaking cold. And yesterday it was a high of like 10 degrees with wind chills of -5, and it's been pretty chilly outside. So there's gonna be good ice. Should have a good 4 to 6 inches today. But regardless, guys, I'm glad to be back. This is the first video of the season. As you can tell, I got a new name, new logo, new everything. Left one more cast fishing, everything in the past in 2019. 2020 is a new year. By the way, happy holidays. I hope you guys had a great holiday season with your family, friends, and loved ones. But if you want the full detailed, in-depth description and explanation of why I changed, where I've been, what I've been doing, link at the top of the description below. Instagram, go check it out. Go check out my Instagram. It'll be down there. It explains everything. I did an IGTV video on it. I go into everything, into some personal issues as well. So why don't you guys just go give that a look after this video or now, but if you do it now, come back to this video and finish it up. I'm gonna go and pick up Gabe now, so I'll see you there. All right, guys. I'm in Gabe's big truck. He's got a nice Ram truck right now. And, we're about ready to go. Gabe, say hi to the subscribers, the viewers. It is a beautiful, very crisp.
9 degree.
Yeah. Now hopefully you can see me right now. But yeah, 9 degrees out. Wind chill's probably below, definitely below. But it's not. It'll be a good day. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Time check is 6:40, 6:39, 6:40. All right, let's get the show on the road. We'll meet you at the bait store. Gas update.
Yes, it's
It's freaking, it's freezing. That's a nice Carhartt sweatshirt.
cold one. Repping it, Carhartt.
Repping it.
There you go.
You know. How much ice is on Eel Bay, do you know?
3 to 4 maybe.
3 to 4. Gotcha. Goose Bay the same? Like the others?
That's Goose Bay and Chippewas have more.
They have more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure. They probably got 5-6 inches now.
Gotcha. All right, guys, it is currently, what, I think 7:50 last time we checked in. What time was it then? Probably a little after 6:30, 6:40-ish. Yeah, it doesn't usually take this long to get to the bait store, but...
We had to drive 40 minutes.
Yeah, but Gabe forgot.
I might have forgot the batteries for the auger.
Yeah,
Lithium batteries.
it's kind of crucial. We kind of made a joke as we were going along. Oh, hey, like, what if we forgot the batteries and we have to chip our way through the ice to get a hole in? Well,
that was a possibility for a minute.
it turns out that actually happened. So, but nevertheless, we are now on our way. We got the bait. We are all set to go. We got some spikes to do some jigging, and we're gonna get the job done that way out on Goose Bay. That's where we're headed, and you guys just sit tight. We'll see you there. All right, guys, we just got to the spot. We're in the parking lot right now. Gabe, what time is it? You got time, buddy?
I check 8:02.
Say that again.
8:02.
8:02.
A little late, but you know.
8:02. It's a late start, but hey, it's not gonna stop what's about to happen, which is fish are gonna get slammed. All of them. Think of all the fish. They're gonna get slammed. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. It's 10 degrees out right now, but honestly, it doesn't feel too bad because it's sheltered and it's not windy. So as long as that wind stays at bay, we should be fine. But we're gonna get our gear on. We're gonna get the sleds loaded up, and we'll meet you out there on the ice. All right, guys, we got to our spot. Gabe's gonna go ahead and drill a hole to check how thick the ice is and see where we're at right now. All right, guys, so we got the shanty all set up. We got the drills, or the holes drilled, and now Gabe's gonna give you a little tutorial on how to set up a tip up. Now, those of you that don't really ice fish down south, or if you're just someone up north that's never really ice fishing, having the opportunity, this is how we get the job done, okay?
Yeah, so we're only fishing like 5.5 feet of water. So most time, I use a little split shot with a, I mean, it's a normal tip up. Get them at Dick's and anywhere you want, really. Normally, what I would do, I take this little, basically this lead weight, and it clips on here. Clips actually onto your hook. You drop to the bottom, see how deep it is. You pull it up, and then you hook your minnow onto it. I just got, what you do, take your minnow, nice little pike minnow. Take treble hook, hook it right in front, the dorsal. If I can get it in there, just like that. That way, you're still kicking. You know, see it kicking. Then, your switch shot, we'll take it down. And that flash, a lot of times, we'll get the pike. You only want it like, right now we're only fishing, like I said, 5.5 feet of water. You want it probably 2.5, 3 feet. Because there's weeds at the bottom. So that should be pretty much good right there. Well, you set it up on the big setting, and the fish will take it. It spins, flag goes up. Pretty self-explanatory.
Sweet. Guys, when you're hooking that minnow up on the treble hook, you want to make sure you hook one part of that treble hook behind the dorsal fin. That's the key. That lets the bait give more action. It can still swim around, do its thing, and then you can get the job done that way. Yeah, you don't want to kill it.
How did I miss that?
All right, guys.
Oh yeah, there's one right there.
We are marking fish as we speak. We don't know if they're perch or bluegill.
I just got nubbed.
You got nubbed?
Yeah.
We're throwing these little jigs down. We're gonna pair it up with spikes or grub worms, and we're just gonna jig, and hopefully we can get some to bite. But yeah, it's a nice little setup. We got our heater right there, and we got the Vexilar.
Hit it. Hit it.
That's a big one.
Oh, I got him. Pretty small.
Oh, hey, little perch. Not bad, Jay.
I would think, but hey, it's fish. Gotta live them. Oh yeah.
Not a bad fish
First
at all,
fish of
bud.
2020, boys.
There we go. Nice.
Put them on the grease.
Man, we should bait them up.
Yeah, put her on the grease. Hey, when there's one, you know.
Exactly.
Oh, he's got it. He got it. Oh, he's right there still. Dude, that might be a pike. It's red.
Dude, that's a huge mark.
It's the whole thing's covered right now. That's massive.
He's there right now.
He's right on. He's live right next to it. Look at it. This whole thing's black or red.
Oh my god. That's a huge mark.
It's like two now. It might be a school. Sorry, buddy.
Oh. What?
Jesus Christ, how did I miss?
What the?
Oh, you got
it. Go on.
Oh, real.
I think it's a school.
Yeah, it was a school.
It's gotta be a school of them.
School, really?
Hey.
Yeah, but there's a big one down there right now. I might go back down.
Alright, guys. Finally got a perch through the ice. Look at this little guy. Not a bad fish at all. Not a bad one. Time to go. I think mine was bigger. There he goes. Oh, come on. That's a decent mark. Yep.
Yeah. You better, you stuck in the ice. Stuck in the ice. You're usually better.
Oh, that's a nice perch.
I bet you there's more down there.
Yeah, go get it.
He pulled you in the weeds.
Oh man. You want to ice this? You want to put this on ice? Yeah, we're putting this boy on ice. Guys, look at. Yeah, look at that. See that? He wasn't going anywhere. I hooked him all 3 trebles in his mouth. How do I want to go about this? Yeah, definitely.
8 incher probably?
Ah.
Oh yeah, she's a little fatty too.
Little fatty. Get some nice fillets right there on here. Beautiful fish. We're going to put her on ice, throw her on ice. Guys, Gabe just got hit twice. He just got hit a 3rd time. Yep. Hooked up.
Yeah. Ooh, Sonny.
Ooh, look at that pretty bluegill.
Yeah, little bluegill. He's literally biting on it. Oh, she bricked me.
Show that camera.
Nice little gill.
Nice little gill. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. She pretty. There she goes, back down.
Bottom right now.
Huh?
Flare fish.
Yeah, flare fish is right. Let's cut this nice little perch. Look at this guy.
Now he's dead.
Now he's dead. I wonder if I can whip him. Yes, I can. Nice little perch right there. Nice little baby perch. Let him go. He's got to get bigger. He's got to get bigger. Yep, there he is. Look at him. Just look at that kid. What a guy. All right, guys, a little update for you. It is about 11 o'clock, 10:55. Not much. I had that nice perch still frozen on the ice. Gabe's gonna take that back. I had a little perch. He had a little perch. Actually no. I've had 3 perch. You've had
2 perch and
no. You had a perch and a bluegill. He had a bluegill. Yep. So I don't know. 5 fish. 1 good fish for its species, and that's pretty much it. So we're thinking about moving. We're thinking about hitting that pond near my house. Haven't made a definitive decision yet, but most likely going to within the next half hour here. That's kind of where we're at. We're gonna give our tip-ups about half an hour more to do their thing and see if we can get 1 flag to go up and maybe see if we can get some more panfish for you. But other than that, might be moving. I don't know, but we'll let you know if that time comes.
It's a beautiful day to be alive. Pretty hungry.
I got saltine crackers in the bag. Just stay tuned. Bear with us. Bear with us. Alright guys, time check. 1:30 in the afternoon. We are all set up. We got a tip up over here on my left and a tip up over on Gabe's right. 2 tip ups, 2 baits going down, and now we are in here. We're gonna do some jigging. Hopefully we can mark some fish and get some fish for you guys. Enjoy this. Stay tuned. In the middle is the deepest part. Oh, flag. Huh?
You got your shit recorded?
Yeah. Oh, 2 flags. Dude, we got 2 flags.
I got
Yeah. Oh, this one's taking. This one's going. Yeah. Oh, dude, this is spitting fast. Oh, yep, got him. Yeah, I think. Oh, dude, huge perch. Huge. Oh my God. Dude, this is massive. Dude, look at guys, look at this perch. This is awesome. Like, this is so big. Dude, look at that.
Holy shit.
That's insane. Dude, guys, that... Huh? Look at that beautiful perch. Like, the colors on that are so pretty. Oh, that is just... And the belly on it, too. Dude, and he devoured the minnow, too. Guys, we are going to get the release on this bad boy. I'm going to let him go. Down he goes. Dude, that was sick. Flag is going off again. Gabe's gonna go after it.
Oh, I got him.
You got him?
Yep.
What is it? What do you got? Ooh! Dude!
That's a fucking
no freaking way! Dude, that's huge! Dude!
a 6-pounder, dude!
No, it's not 6. Dude, no, that's gotta be like 4. Dude, that's freaking huge. Dude! Gabe!
Dude, that's a mondo, bud.
Dude, look at that! Oh, boys, shit. That's a good, that's gotta be 4.5, pushing 5. That's not 6. Dude, that's definitely pushing 5. Dude.
Holy
Dude,
shit.
that is nice. Oh my God. Dude, when the head came out of that hole.
I know.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Gabe. Dude,
Let's go, baby.
dude. Oh, look at the head on that. Dude.
Huge.
That is what is in this pond. That is what is in this pond. God, look at the stomach on that thing. Like, look at that stomach. Like, this stomach is huge on it.
Dude.
I love the colors of winter bass. You cannot beat the color of winter bass. So guys, look at what he just pulled through the ice. Dude, let's freaking go. Dude, that was nice.
Look at that.
Look at that. That, guys, that is what we were after. We made the move, we made the call, and we got it done that way. Guys, that is beautiful. That is nice.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's freaking.
That's pushing 5.
Yeah, pushing 5.
It's over 4, definitely.
It's over 4. Alright, buddy. Come on. Kick at least. Come on, kick. There he goes. He's going. There he goes.
There he goes. Off he goes.
Dude, let's go, baby.
Nice, let's go. Flag. I don't know if this might be a false one, honestly. I think it is. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, I got a fish. Another perch. Yep. Another perch, guys, look at that. All right, guys, I just hooked up. There's something spinning, taking this right now. Just gonna, oh, hooked it. I think this is a bass. I think this is a bass. Yeah. Hey, look at that. I got a bass through the ice. Let's go. Obviously, this is not as big as Gabe's, but hey, it's a bass. Look at that little. Look at that little chunk. Guys, I'm just gonna say this right now. Today is not the nicest of days. It is very, very windy. Wind gusts are coming in high right now, probably above 25 miles per hour. And we're gonna get heavy snowfall in Tug Hill region of New York. Look it up if you don't know that, or if you're not from around here. Tug Hill region of New York is expected to get 2 to 4 feet of snow starting right now and into tonight. I'm just waiting for my buddy Gabe to get back with the truck so we can load this up and get out before the weather gets nasty here. Where I am, we should be getting like probably around a foot of snow. But yeah, weather conditions are hazardous. They are not the best, but we are out here. We're catching beautiful fish. Look at this. Winter largemouth, there's nothing prettier. I tell you what, this is just a beautiful fish, healthy fish, a good fish. Not as big as Gabe's, but hey, I got myself a bass, got some nice perch. And you know what? You just can't beat out, you cannot beat being outdoors. I tell you that right now. This has been a great day. It's not over yet. Hopefully we get some more fish, but if not, it doesn't get better than this. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time and clicking on this video and watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time with Gabe today, and I don't know, it's just something about fishing, you know. We started out in Goose Bay up on Thousand Islands on the St. Lawrence River. Didn't really catch much at all, didn't get much action, and we thought we'd just give this pond a quick try and hopefully, you know, get some fish. And sure enough, we actually got surprised. I fished that so many times, didn't even know perch were in that pond. Caught 3 very nice sized perch. One that I caught on a tip up. That perch was huge, biggest I've ever caught. PB perch by far. 12 to 13 inches, can't beat that. And obviously Gabe with his huge largemouth bass. That thing was beautiful. The colors on it, the size, it was just such a healthy, nice fish. And yeah, it was a great day outdoors. I can't complain. I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this experience with me today. Guys, if you have not done so, hit that subscribe button down below. If you are not subscribed, hit that red button. I'm not gonna make you. It's there for a reason. It's an option. I don't see why not. But yeah, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And hey, until next time, Northern Expanse, out.